Hello everyone. Today we will see how to perform delta CT calculation. If you are new to this channel, please press the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified. Here we have the data from a qPCR experiment of a housekeeping gene and the gene of interest. Initially we have to calculate the average CT. Take the average of the duplicate runs for each sample, both the housekeeping gene as well as the gene of interest. Once we have the average of both the housekeeping gene as well as the gene of interest, we can calculate the delta CT. Delta CT is calculated by subtracting the average CT value of the gene of interest and the average CT value of the housekeeping gene. So now we have the average CT value of. Now we have the delta CT value available. Now let's calculate the average delta CT value. For calculating the average delta CT value of the control, we have to select the control group. From this, we can calculate the double delta CT value. Subtract the delta CT value and the average delta CT control value. So to fix this, we have to put a dollar sign, so that cell will be fixed. Okay, now we have this and just drag. So now we have the double delta CT value. To calculate the 2 power minus double delta CT. So same equation can be applied here. So these are the fold change. So let's take the average of the control and the treated. The fold change in the control group is 1 and the fold change in the treated group is 43.9.